So in this video, you'll learn how to install the VLC Media Player on your Samsung Galaxy A06. So start by opening the Play Store. Then from here, you want to use the search function and you want to type in VLC Media Player and search for it. So you should see it listed in the search results. It's by Video Labs. So all you want to do is just tap on it to view the app details. And then from here, you want to tap on install to download it onto your phone. As you're waiting for it to download, you can always scroll and read the app information. So you have about this app, you have the data safety, as well as any ratings and reviews. So just wait for the app to be installed. Then from here, you can choose to launch it by tapping on open, or you can go back to your home screen, look for VLC Media Player and tap on the app icon to open it. From here, just follow through these simple steps to finish setting it up. So you can choose to go through this welcome menu, or if you've already used this before on your phone, then you can just tap on skip and you can now start using VLC Media Player. Obviously, you might need to give some permissions such as notification permissions, access to your videos and photos as well. But from now, you can now start using VLC Media Player. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.